Okay, here's the setup. We got the hazy ridge far off. We got that theodolite pointed at it. And then I got a second theodolite 90 degrees to that. That's what I'll be using for vertical angle. And it's set 90 degrees to this line so that the distance to target is unaffected. That'll be good enough for today. Should still return arc second grade. Then there'll be a GPS receiver sitting there. So I'm going to extend this line. So that target and this instrument are the same line. From the target location, I'm taking solar azimuth, and that will be to the remote radio antennae strobe lights. And while I'm making those angle measurements, I'll put a GPS receiver right there, and that's where I will get my position and elevation. Only about a million times more accurate than what you're going to pick off of Google Earth, but that's the way we do it. Phase differential, centimeter good to like anywhere. There's how we get height of instruments above the marks, so nothing is left to looks like or estimations. So that's the setup. Now, Leakey said surveyors don't do this. Oh, nobody looks at points 12, 20, 30 miles away for triangulation and geodetic measurement. He said that just a couple days ago. He said surveyors don't do that. Purpose-built instruments, specifically built to observe distant objects with arc-second accuracies. And size matters. We got this guy, and then we got this guy. Built 1955. It's at least twice the weight, 60% larger in every dimension, specifically to observe strobe lights, heliotropes, red signal markers from miles away, much like they did for Mount Everest and through all the Rockies, through all the world, all the mountains. It's a very popular instrument. 1980, that thing was going for 10 grand. 1938 to 1980, no fundamental change. Much newer. 1969. Same basic architecture, just smaller scale, lighter duty, and almost as good. Very popular instrument. They made thousands and thousands of them for decades. So that's what we do. Even if Leakey says we don't, and he's a little bit right, we don't anymore because we use GPS. Because we can. Because satellites orbiting the Earth provide a lot more information, better, faster, cheaper. Ciao.